Hello everyone, I am Jose George and I am here to present the tools and techniques of management accounting. The core functions of management accounting is to provide information directly to the managers. And this information is used for planning, decision making and controlling within the organization. There are different tools in management accounting, and the first one is financial statement analysis. This involves a systematic study of financial statement to access the business performance. Next is ratio analysis, which involves using mathematical ratios to measure performance. There are different types of ratios, which are current ratio for liquidity, the debt equity ratio for solvency, and profit ratio for profitability. Next, we are going to talk about budgetary control. It is where management compares the actual result against the planned budget to identify variances and take corrective actions. Next, we are going to talk about standard costing. Standard costings are basically the costs that are being set as a standard, and later in the future they are used as a benchmark in pricing products and marketing decisions. Next, we are going to talk about cash flow analysis. It is vital for short-term planning, and it clearly shows all cash inflows and outflows of a business. This analysis directly helps management to check and manage the company's liquidity position. Next, we are going to talk about the responsibility accounting. It is an organizational technique. It involves assigning responsibility for revenue and cost to specific departments or managers. This structure helps in evaluating the performance of those individual units and their managers against their targets. To conclude, management accounting is a toolbox of powerful techniques that collectively provides useful information for making better and informed decisions. Thank you.